Okay guys, it's me, Robert Wesley. I'm going to prove to you that all rock and all stone, most of them are heads, okay? So, here's heads number one. That's the hair, that's the nose, that's the chin, yeah, see? Right? That's my head number two. You see the nose right here, the chin right here, the eyes down there, right? Head number three, see? What used to be there, see? Alright, and head number four. Oh, he's not happy. Hey, you see that? You see that? It's better without the light, eh? See that? My friend, all rock, all stone, are heads. The people from the past. Give this a thumbs up. Thank you very much.